Buenos días, buenas tardes, or buenas noches. ¿Cómo estás? Yo estoy muy bien. I hope you're looking forward to starting week 3. I wanted to walk you through what we're going to do this week. Week 3 will be our final week of the chapter that we've been working on, and during week 3, we're going to build on everything we've been learning, in addition to learning weather, colors, other words and phrases, subject pronouns, and at the end of week 3, we're going to have our chapter assessment of everything you've learned the first 2 weeks and what you're going to learn this week. So right now, you're going through the introduction part. You'll see the learning targets listed below this video. The resource room lists again when I'm available to help if you have any questions or need some extra support. And then as you move through the first set is going to teach you weather and colors. So those correspond to words 61 to 67 on your vocabulary lists, and also words 81 to 91. There'll be a video to help you get started, and then there are 2 SWICs, 1 assignment, and 1 quiz. So there'll be 4 things to complete for the first set. Moving on, we're going to study words 68 through 80, and those are the other words and phrases. So there'll be a short video to watch, and only 1 SWIC because there are not too many words there, and some of those words you've actually have seen already during the previous 2 weeks. And then finally, our set 3 is going to be teaching you subject pronouns. And I'll tell you what a subject pronoun is in English, and we'll learn what the subject pronouns are in Spanish. A little bit of grammar this week. Once you finish that, there'll be 2 SWICs to complete, as well as an assignment that's here. And then as we move on, these will not be here when you get to the lesson. You're going to move on to the assessment. Now, I did put in a practice test because this is going to be your first big assessment in Spanish 1. The practice test that's here, I really encourage you to go through and take it. It's optional. It's not going to go in the grade book as a grade, but I would really recommend that you take that practice test prior to the assessment. Unlike most of our other practice tests, when you take this one, you'll be able to see the answers right away, so that way you'll have an idea if you made any mistakes, where those mistakes are. So I would really recommend you spend some time going through that practice test. Then finally, you're going to come down to the assessment. You can see it's a 98-point assessment. Some of it is A, B, C, D. Some of it's true, false. Some of it is having you write, and some of it is having you speak using videos that you're going to make actually in the assessment in Canvas. You will need a lockdown browser for the assessment, since this is a big assessment. So make sure you have that available. If not, again, see the directions in the welcome module for who to reach out to at Southwest Allen County Schools if you have any technology problems. So good luck this week. Have a great week of finishing up the first chapter. I look forward to seeing how you do on your assessments. And again, please let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you again soon. Hasta luego.